Hi, good morning. Jonathan Lau here, your global speaker that helps you achieve greater sales success, service experience, and leadership performance. Privileged to be in Hong Kong this week. Just finished working with a global banking group and its relationship managers and wealth specialists to help them take their sales performance and relationship management to the next level. So for today's segment, I'd like to share with you the 4 C's of developing greater trust. The first C is about competence. Your skills, knowledge, and attitude. Be the very best that you can do. If you're in sales, be the very best in sales. If you're going to be in customer service, be the very customer service professional that you can be. Learn the most about your trade. Learn the most about whatever you're doing. Because when you do that, people believe in you, they believe in your expertise. Trust begins from there. Now the second C is about commitment. So whatever you commit to say that you will do it. Don't be all talk and no action. So that is very important. Show the commitment because people listen to you, but more important, they watch what you do after you have said it. So show the commitment. Now the third C is about consistency. Don't just do it 1 time, 2 times, but be consistent in your action and behavior over a period of time. Because when that happens, trust increases. Now the 4th C is about care. How much do you care for the people that you work with? How much do you care for your customers' well-being? How much do you care for your customers' success? Begin to show appreciation, recognition to the people that you work with. Begin to show them the care that they so deserve. Because this ties in with celebration. Because in Asia, I think we can do a little bit much more in terms of celebration. So that's my bonus 5th C for you. Now, nothing happens until you start to apply it. So my goal for you this week is do it, right? Begin to build it. Because the more that you see, the more that you do, the greater your success is going to be. I wish you great success in whatever you do. Have an amazing time. Signing off from Hong Kong right now. Bye.